Hi everyone, welcome to Navirusithan's world. You might be thinking, hey Navirusithan, you might be walking. Where are you going? Well, I'm landing. I wanted to explore an Apple store and I wanted to see what was in there and all of the specifications. Now, what am I going to do in the Apple store? Let's find out. Let's find out next what's going to happen when I'm in the Apple store. And everyone, this is the entrance of the Apple store. This is such a significant Apple store because it's built for all of us to enjoy and look at all of the Apple products that Apple currently sells and decide which if we want to buy any products or not. So why am I here in the Apple store? Yes, you are correct. I'm here to see the newest Apple iPads that came out in this year's May 7 Apple event and experience them. These are all of the iPhone 15 models that are currently on sale. You can see the iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15, iPhone 50, 15 Plus and iPhone 15. And these are more iPhone 15 lineups. And there are actually lots of iPhone 15s. These mini tablets you see here are not just any mini iPad. That is the iconic iPad mini. The 6th generation iPad mini, 6th generation. So these are the iMac lineup. As you can see, this is the Mac Mini, also or iMac Mini, whatever way you call it. And this is the Mac Studio and Studio Display combined. So this is basically one of the biggest monitors Apple currently sells. And just so you know, these are one of the MacBook lineups that Apple currently sells. And I am also using some of the MacBooks to see how they work. These are the moment you've been waiting for. These are the iPad. This is the iPad Pro. It has standard AMOLED display. It has extra Pro Retina XDR, and it's the thinnest device Apple has made. Yes, thinner than the iPod Nano. And these are the iPad Airs. So they basically just got a faster chip and brand new wallpaper. But other than that, in my opinion, they're the exact same iPads from last year. So not a major difference on the iPad Airs. But still it at least has a faster chip than last year. I'm exploring the futures and testing about if what they claim is true or false. And this iPad is the 13-inch iPad Air, and somewhat I just like this iPad because of its 13-inch display and its features. In just a few minutes, I'm just exploring the Apple products, and I'm in the Apple Watch section checking if some of them fit me or not. After checking all of the iPads and Apple devices, I went downstairs to look at the accessories and went through a emoji pop quiz. After looking at all of the accessories, let's get back to doing what we were here for. I'm just doing some extensive reviewing of all of the iPad speed, the camera, and all of the qualities of the iPad. Out of all of the items I viewed, I only like one item, and in the comment section you can guess which item. And in the future, I will ask my parents for an approval on my favorite product, and if they do approve, you are going to be staying tuned for an unboxing video in the future that will come. And see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If I do get my favorite item, you will not miss out on an unboxing video.